Good day, everyone. Learn how to clear cookies in Mozilla Firefox, or I would say how to delete cookies in Mozilla Firefox. So open your Mozilla Firefox browser, and at the top right corner, where you have these three parallel lines, click on that, and then we need to go to Settings. Now, once you're here in the settings at the left-hand side, you will have General, Home, Search, and Privacy and Security. So we will click on Privacy and Security. And the moment you click on that, we need to scroll down. One more thing, if you wish, you can change the default search engine. So if it is anything different, you can change it to Google or whatever the search engine you want. Now, just scroll down under privacy and security. Scroll down, and here you will find cookies and site data. So what you can do is you can click on clear data, and the moment you click on clear data, you will find this clearing all cookies and site data stored by Firefox may sign you out of the website, remove offline web content. Clearing cache data will not affect your logins. So if you want to clear, you can uncheck or check from here. I'll keep all these checked because I want to remove cache as well as cookie from my computer. I'll just click on clear, and it will again ask you to clear now. And this is how you clear cookies or delete cookies in Mozilla Firefox. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section if you want a tutorial on a particular topic. I'll try my best to make a video on that. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.